Okay, you see that we can create some small or big application with Power Builder. Okay. Now the agenda for today, like I was thinking to explain all the things, how to use menu and even also data window and data window control. But we'll discuss data window control later because pupils are not here, and this is very important option. Okay. Uh, Let me put it somewhere. How can I make it? Okay. So we have does one thing here. We have login, and after login we have one applications. Now let me show you if you want to add some menus over your screens. So like menu is everywhere. You see these are the menus. And what is the use of menus? Menus give us the place where you can click and initiate some operations like a new, and it's initiate your new. So we also need to add some menus. So in every applications you see some menus, like in Notepad also you have menus, and when you go to the new tab, it does a action and something is happening here. So these type of menus we can also create into the Power Builder. Okay. Now how? So again, go to the new, go to the PV object, and you see here menu. Now it's a blank menu. This is called a menu painter. And again I am showing you that it is a menu class, and this is inherited from menu. So there is a default class that is called menu, and every object of menu is inherited from that class. And the same thing is here, property window is there, and every menu has some events and some functions. Okay. Now let me create some menu under this menu. So it's some menu, like I'm saying name is file, and then again is saying help, and one is activity. Okay. Now I can also drag and drop because I need activity after file before help. So I can also use this. Okay. And within file I need like a sub menu. I can say new screen 1, and then insert sub menu new screen 2, and within activity I can say like new modify, delete, print, and at the end also in the file I can say exit. Okay. So this is the one menu. This type of menu we can create. Now let me save this menu, and the m underscore session 4 menu. This is just the name of menu. I'm saving it. If you see, you will find it here. And I want to add this menu over my screen. So here, go to the menu name and click, and you need to add a menu. And I'm saying here session 4. Any doubt till now? So menu is here. It will be look like
No.
we have not written anything over the menu, just created a menu. Nothing is written over the click event of menus. Okay. Now okay, so pupils are here, and mute yourself, everyone. Please mute yourself. Who is talking? Who is talking?
Akash Pratap Singh.
Saying you cannot learn during driving. Where I can mute? Okay. Okay. So now let me show you how menu will look like. So it's DSA3 and password is DSA, and then you see a menu is here. Okay. Now let me put some code over the menu. Like for exit, we know we need to we have a hold close function, and for new screen I am just putting one message box here to show you that menu click is working. Menu click, comma, hello, I am a message box from menu click. Okay, same I am putting somewhere in screen 2, and in activity we can also put somewhere. Just show you to that over the click it will show something. Now here also this is a plain menu, like a very simple traditional menu, but you can also make it some fashionable menu. Go to the here and mm, click on menu, and you said traditional menu, but I am saying some fashionable menu. Now it is a fashionable menu. So menu back color will be like I am saying I can change the back color also. This one menu text color I am saying this one, maybe not this one, and font and all also. Highlight color maybe I can see this. Okay, so you can change some appearance also. Now let me run this. DSA, and it's 3. Now look, when I click this, hello, I am a message box from menu click. Make sense? Make sense to all of you? We can also add some menus over the screens, and that menu can be help you to execute some functionality or to open some screens. Or like I'm saying here, one menu I'm saying it's a menu and saying it re-login. So go make it fast, and here over the we have a login screen, and that screen is W session 2. So let me show you. We can log in. What and here in relogin, that screen is again available. DSA. Make sense? So you can execute something from the login also, from menus also. So this way you can create a menu and you can attach menu over your screen. So we are going slowly, but like learning how we can build up all the things. Now let's revise what we have done till now. So we have created one application object where we have also in open event we have also maintained something like connection service that can help us to create a connections within the database, and then one menu and some screens. Okay. So this is just a manual manually we have created, but Power Builder gives us some template also. I'll show you that template. Now let me create a new folder here saying session 4. Okay, so go to the new, again, workspace, session 4. I'm saying session 4. Now target, so we have also used that target applications. Now I'll show you the template applications. Template applications. So here, next, it will again ask what is your application name. Again, same as previous, a PBL will be created with the same application name, and a target PBT file will be created. Here it will ask MDI application with a micro help or HDI. So this time we will use HDI. MDI, I'll explain you what is MDI, then we'll go with the MDI. So HDI. Next, it will say what is the main menu name. So I'm saying that it's session for main menu, and again saying what will be the your menu name, main window name and menu name. You can also change if you want. Then what will be the name of your about window? Yeah, it will default this time. Then it asks for a connection. It requires a connection, yes. Then again same. Yeah, it requires application INI file, registry setting or script. I'm saying INI file, and it will create a connection service object with this name. One INI file will be created, and create project now, and it will also create a project with this name. Okay, anything else? I'm saying full build, yes, do not generate machine code, and now finish. Look what we have done. We have done a very good job here without any. Look, we have created one application object here, and over the application object we have connected something. This connection class is used, create using connection class, and if the connection db equal to 0, then open your main screen, that is w session 4, and then destroy your connection, and then over the close, the same thing is it, db disconnection and then destroy. Okay, so that we have done manually, that is creating by Power Builder itself via template. Here they have created one menu, file, print, and they have also added some image here, and over the exit it is just saying close parent window. And in connection service, like same, there will be three function: connect db, disconnect db, connection info. Because we have used ini file, then it is creating a ini file also. Okay, and it has also created one about window too. So that is blank window, but it is about window. Now let me show you how it will be look like. I run this. This application will look like this type. You have created one application, print setup, it will give you the print, cancel, and about window, it will be about window. And from here this is the toolbar. So look, menu, you can also add the toolbar like a menu. So in this here, like for print, you have also one toolbar. When you give the value here in toolbar, it will look like toolbar. Okay, so the session that we have like in 4 sessions we have created, that is around this we have done these things. Okay, now the question comes, how you can circulate your applications to your customer. So we cannot give Power Builder ID, we need to give some exe or some files to execute. So this is one project is being created. In the project it is saying that a exsn4.exe will be created, resource file name and full build, p code or machine code. So p code is created with Power Builder code, that is called pbd. Machine code is like dll. How many libraries? Only one library is here. I can select this. Version and all you can change. Your company name, your product name. I'm saying like session 4. Company name is Credexel India and description is session 4 files. Version is like this and then run. If I want to deploy this, deploy project, that will create a build, and in the folder you will see a exe is creating. Now you don't need to run the same thing from Power Builder, you can also run from exe and everything will work like as Power Builder. So what you will do to your customer, one exe, one pbd file, this session ini file, and then just some runtime DLLs to execute. You will not give your code to your customer, that is Power Builder code. Otherwise, they will also be able to modify your code. But that is your property. So all to customers, you just need to give these files. 3. Let me show if we can put it. Runnable. Look, from the different folder you can also run. Any questions till now? So you can create your application, you can deploy your applications, and you can circulate your applications. So any questions from anyone till now? No? No. So in that case, we can continue. So here,
Keshav,
yeah,
Keshav, if we provide only that PVD and PVL file, so that customer need a database also, their computer to run that application.
yes, because data is in database only. Our
Okay, yeah,
applications doesn't contain your data.
yeah,
Only
right.
DB file contains your data. So like
Okay.
either your DB is on cloud, either is on your customer premises or your premises, but somewhere you need to connect your database with your application. If it is a database related application, some applications are like, I'm saying I'm creating a calculator,
Yeah,
that is doesn't need a database.
right.
So but when I'm saying I am managing something, I'm just holding some data into the database, that means a database is needed.
Okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay, now I'll show you how data window and one thing. Okay, let me show you one another thing is like in session 2 I have created this window username and password, and this is like a login window, correct? I have created here, but I want to add it into my session 4. I don't want to create again. So what I need to do, go here and export, keep it somewhere, go to your different application, that is session 4, and here you can also import. Look, but there is a dependency. It is saying session 3 should be here because it is using session 3 also. So what I can do, I can also go to this way, and I also modify, like open with notepad plus plus. Look, this is the code of your window, and somewhere I have opened pv3, but I have only pv4, session 4, so I can save it, and now I can use it. Oh, this is the name is w session 4 underscore main, not session 4. Import. Now it is imported, and I want to open this as a my login window. So I need this. Let me show you. This is w session 2. So when it's open w main, go to here and open w session 2. It's a login window, and I am writing that before opening this, open this. So now, oh, let me put we need to like first go to here, and when connection is okay, then open this, and here from login to this one. This is like first it will login DSA 3 DSA, and then this application. Okay, and I want to make it like full screen. So go to here, layout, and it will be a main state maximize. So first login DSA, and then full screen. So this will be like a applications. First you will log in, then you will have a screen to work around, work your working area. You can create any type of form here. Any questions till now? Because I want to like start a data window with new recordings. So this we have covered, how to use of menu, how to create a menu and add to the window, how to create a P code, introduction to tablet application. And now we will go with data window and data window control. So that will be like, we know our session is only 14-minute session. So we'll create a new session and then we'll join again, and then we'll discuss over the data window control. Or we can start this time. Okay. So what is data window control? So it's a powerful tool in within Power Builder that helps you to interact with your database. So like what you can do with database. Generally we use DML. So DML, what is DML? Select, insert, update, delete. Okay, these are the DML commands. Every software needs to select, that means retrieve database from tables, and you need to insert some records into the tables. You also need to update some previous data. You also need to delete some previous data based on validation, based on some rules. So that is data window control help us to do this type of operations within data window, and without any code writing, not minimal code writing, and then select, insert, update, and delete. Okay, so let me connect to the database. Where? Let's create a new table. That is, I'm saying employee detail. This table will have a primary key constant. Yes, finish. So I'm saying employee ID. So that will be a ID, and data type will be integer. This will be set as a primary key. So employee ID will be a primary key. Okay, now employee name, employee DOB, name will be like varchar, and the size will be, I can say 50. Date of birth will be date. Gender, that is also varchar, and the size will be 1. And contact number, that should also be a varchar with 12 digits. Okay, let me save this. So this is a table is created. So if you want to see that table, here, go here, view data, and there is no data. Okay, okay, now let's uh, I'll exit this application, this meeting, and we'll create a new join again with the new meeting. Same meeting. Okay.